of difficult sometimes. You have your little moments. You gotta do what you gotta do.
You know what I drink though?
What you drink?
5 Hour Energy.
God bless your soul.
I do mess
God
with those.
bless your soul. I can't do it.
Why not?
I'm sorry. I used to do those.
What can you not say do them like it's like narcotic? Like
it
don't say that.
It is.
That sound a little cray. Like we about to.
It
is not.
Whatever. I don't look. Let me tell you something. You take those. I can drink a half a bottle, and I feel like there's something just going through my body.
That's because your body's not used to nutrients. You know what's in 5 Hour Energy? B vitamins, B6, B12, folic acid. I know because I read it. So the first time I took it, I had to drive to Florida to go see my mom. I was sleepy, so I took the 5 Hour Energy joint. It kept me up for 5 hours. I was like, this don't make no sense. How they know that? Like, it can't keep me up, you up, them up for 5 hours. We got different bodies.
No.
It kept me up for 5 hours. I was impressed. The second thing that made me pay attention to 5 Hour Energy, they had YouTube commercials about people they were helping. And they had this black woman, this single mother that took a bunch of people in. Sound like somebody I know.
Okay,
it wasn't my mama.
Yeah.
But it said sound like somebody I know. I don't know where she lived at this point. But she was working part-time at a school, working at a food shelter, and had a bunch of like people that she took in. She was tired. They gave her a lifetime supply of 5 Hour Energies, and the dude was on there like, if our product can help people like her keep doing good work in the world, that's why we do what we do. I respect that.
Oh, that's what's up.
I respect the value behind that.
Absolutely, yeah.
That was the second thing.
Okay.
And then the third thing was I read the back of the joint one day. Because I was like, this is just a bunch of sugar and caffeine. It probably ain't. Right?
That's
narcotic. Right?
Yeah, that's how it feels.
Something up in there.
Sorry.
And then I read it, and not only did it say like B6 and 12, it was like 9,000% and 6,000%. I've never seen numbers like that on the back of a of a food thing in the world, like literally. If y'all out there, y'all like Google it right now. Google the ingredients on 5 Hour Energy. You will see, if y'all listening right, you will see on the back, it says 833,000% of, it's crazy. So anyway, once I saw that, I was like, yo,
that's dope though. I didn't know. See, look,
see?
college boys. Oh.